Everyone, just a quick tip while you're having a good holiday. I suppose it's still the Christmas holidays and still the New Year's holidays. This is off the Zonestar Z5. Make sure all your cables, because on the diagrams they don't really show cable relief, which would have been coming in handy. I know why they haven't, because they're an engineering diagram of only the main parts, but it would have been handy to show all the parts which way they go. So this is the way they go. They come up through the hole there, and yeah, they don't touch, but that's pretty good. Making sure that these motors, the actual printed side, is pointing towards the device. So here you see there's no print on it, so that helps. So that makes it go properly around. So when it spins, I'm hoping that goes the right way. If not, I'll have to change it around. But this is what I'm looking at the diagrams. I'm looking at pictures, and that's the way it goes. Like I said, you put two wheels on, bring it over the top here and bring it along, and then put the other wheel back on, and then all you have to do is hook it all up. And then all we have to do is build the power supply and the logic board on that side over there, and put our belt in for our hot end. And I'm pretty well nearly finished, I think. I'm hoping I am. I might have missed something, but mainly cables I think I've got to hook up then. But I'm pretty happy with it. It's not a bad build. I have found that a couple of the screws aren't exactly the right ones, but at the price it's really good. And you can always go out and buy a small set of screws like this that you can get from your local hardware shops, and or even online. I'm sure you can get them, and you can use them to help you along, because I've got a lot of screws here, big area. I still haven't worked out what this is, but I'll work it out pretty soon, I think. I haven't found something in the diagram yet to explain what that is, but I'm sure it's very important. Oh, I think I just worked out what it was. I think it goes up there somewhere to hold that in place, like that. Yep, I've worked it out. It only takes a matter of time to work out what's going on. I'm thinking it's that. It looks like it would fit there. Anyway, we're going to keep working on it. Anyway, if you like this, please subscribe, and I'll leave some codes below for Gearbest, because I'm a Gearbest affiliate, and would love you to head on over there and buy some stuff. If you're really interested in something and you're looking at it and you think, oh shit, I can't get a code, please hit me up. I'm happy to help. Okay, and also subscribe to the channel. Yeah, it's looking good though. I'm actually impressed. You know, for the price, $260, it's a lovely piece of kit if you go and buy it. Okay, thank you. Bye.